Finding a reliable supplier to produce tailor-made enzymes for your molecular assay can be challenging. Hi, I am Susanne with OEM by QIAGEN. We can help you to customize enzymes, master mixes, buffers and reagents to your specific needs. You can either choose an off-the-shelf enzyme from our proven broad QIAGEN portfolio, or you can customize your enzyme from development to delivery. You can change the batch size, filling volume, formulation or concentration of your enzyme. Choose from various filling, kitting, packaging and labeling options, including white label or your own brand. No matter the scale of your order, our ISO-certified facilities uphold the same high-quality standards every time. Among our customers are global industry leaders as well as innovative startups. We help our customers who enter the European market to be REACH compliant. Visit our website to learn more about our OEM enzyme capabilities.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.